Today we're at Rocky Point Boat Worx. We're going to check out Dave Singer's 16-foot Redfisher he's just completed.
So we went ahead and removed the original Hewes stickers, and we had these made. It's like a gunmetal, grayish, whatever, just a little different. The other ones were blue, kind of didn't go what was going on. These matched the speaker bezels and those kind of things. We did like I showed you here on the Yamaha, we did a nice subtle. Just looks good, you know. Threw some new FLs on there. Starting the back of what we did to this boat. First of all, we stripped everything off, took the power pole apart, painted the pulling platform. We went ahead and took the motor all apart, painted all that up. It's a good running engine, so there's no need for a repower. And then from there, we went ahead and reinstalled everything. We went ahead and got rid of the cable steering, added a base star kit to it, cleaned up the rigging. We replaced all the bilge pumps, live well pumps, etc. All the wiring's been done. We did a real trick custom dash, put some push buttons in there, all backlit. Try to make everything a little easier. Clearing up some room in there so the guy, the customer can put his fishing gear. Put a Simrad up there. We installed a used Minn Kota trolling motor, really good shape, 36 volt. So we had a custom build, the battery tray for the front, which you can't really see because the way we hit it, but we also we put the battery charger up in there, the battery for starting a house and all that. We added some speakers, upholstery, Open Water Concepts hooked us up with some sea deck, so we had some custom stuff done to that for them. A little subtle. We're trying to keep it so it's not overwhelming like some people in town do. It gets a little gaudy at that point, so it looks super clean, it's functional, and it looks good. Honestly, my house color is this color. Hey, this is Dave at Rocky Point Boat Worx, wrapping up our 16-foot Redfisher for Charlie Stubbs. So we're out water testing it, trying out this really cool Minn Kota trolling motor, Riptide, auto deploy. It's working great. We're using spot lock right now. Got our Simrad unit, custom dash, wrapped wheel, typical JL audio stereo system for these little boats. Sounds pretty good. So just out working the bugs out, enjoying this beautiful day.
Take out the section we need. If we don't screw up talking. Here's R2D2.